Hi, I'm Beck Mackey. What I'd like to have a look at today is ways that you can assist your cash flow when you have a negatively geared investment property. So some people are quite happy to get a nice big refund at the end of the year because of their negatively geared property. Some people find cash flow is a bit of an issue and they like to lodge what is called a PAYG variation. And what that means is instead of getting the big refund at the end of the year, you get that extra tax back in your pay each week. So I've got a bit of an example for you here. This is an actual client of mine. So she's on a salary of $150,000. The tax that should be withheld on that is $45,997, which gives her a net monthly pay $8,667. Now she has this negatively geared investment property. The expenses are quite high. There's really big depreciation claims and there's quite a high LVR, and that's why the expenses are so high. And then the property then generates for her a loss each year of $24,200. So that's quite a bit. That loss then reduces her taxable income down to the figures we've got here, $125,800. The tax on that, $36,553, which gives her a refund at the end of the year, $9,444. So that's a pretty good refund. She might use it to go on a holiday or put it towards her next investment property, depending on what suits you best. But what we can do is prepare a PAYG variation, which we lodge to the ATO, and the ATO then sends a letter to your employer asking them to withhold a lower percentage rate of tax than the standard rate. And what that then means for you is that you get more take-home pay each month, which is great if cash flow is a bit of an issue. So in this particular example, after lodging the variation, the net monthly pay will increase to $9,454, which is an increase each month of $784, with $150, $200 a week extra in your pocket. It's a pretty good deal. But like I said, it's not for everyone. It's definitely something you should be aware of if you own negatively geared investment properties. Thanks, have a great day.